Hi guys, welcome back to another helpful video. Today we are featuring the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code to connect instantly. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Now let's get started.